Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different than my other videos because my husband and me are going to be showing you how to make a living room table set. I've had many requests to make mirrored furniture, so if you've been waiting for this video, this one's for you. We all know that mirrored furniture can be a lot pricey, so this table set is definitely budget friendly. We purchased this wood board at Lowe's, and with this wood you can build a coffee table and a side table. You will have leftover wood so you can use that for small projects if you want to. This was a great price for $23.98, and they cut the wood out to the measurements I needed, so that was great. I will have all the measurements in the description box for each piece. The wood you see in the middle is for the coffee table, and on the right is the side table. To build the coffee table, you'll need 12 frame mirrors from Dollar Tree, bling wrap, marble contact paper, a drill, wood screws, black paint, and a paintbrush. For the end table, you'll need the same materials, but instead use 6 frame mirrors. Here my husband is putting together the coffee table. He drilled a wood screw in each corner of the box, and this is what it looks like. Now that the bottom of the coffee table is finished, he's going ahead to finish the end table. The drill had a problem, so he finished the piece with a screwdriver, and it worked perfectly as well. If you don't have a drill, you can do this too. Here's how the two pieces are looking so far. We added the top piece to see how it would look, and we really like it, so before screwing the top to the bottom, I'm going to cover the wood with marble contact paper. If you're not into the marble look, you can definitely choose many other contact papers. You can either paint it or also add mirrors. It's all up to you. This is just an idea to get you going. I'm taking my pen here to mark where I need to cut the top of the contact paper. Make sure when you're putting the contact paper on the wood that it's perfectly straight so that the top and bottom doesn't show the wood. We're halfway done with the tables, and here's how it looks so far. I definitely recommend making this with your loved ones because it's even more fun. It's a great way to spend quality time together, and you'll always remember when you and that special someone made it. This is the part where my husband is going to screw the top to the bottom, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, so I didn't include it. I don't like my videos to be too long. I like them to get straight to the point. We added the mirrors on top to see how they fit, and as you can see, they don't cover the wood top completely, and that's what we wanted. We took them off, and I began painting the sides with my black paint so you don't see the wood. I forgot to mention that you'll also need Gorilla Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive. My husband is adding the glue to all the mirrors and pressing firmly. When you finish this, add books or magazines to help it hold better while it dries. And here's how the coffee table turned out, you guys. This is the first furniture piece we have ever done, and we are really proud of how it turned out. It's really strong and sturdy. I was so excited to have it styled, so I added my decor on top, but of course I'm going to show you a clip of how it looks without the decor. This is how the bottom looks, and I added the bling wrap around the table to show you how it would look if you added it. For the end table, we did the exact same thing, but I didn't add the bling wrap so you can see the difference. Let me know which one you like better, bling or without bling. It's so pretty, and I want to thank my husband for his help. This is actually his idea to make for you guys. He's so creative and loves to help me with my projects. I'm truly blessed to have him. I hope this video inspired you to create your very own glam mirrored coffee table set. Thank you guys for all your continued love and support. It always means so much to me. Let me know if you want to see more mirrored furniture because my husband is on a roll, you guys. He already made another furniture piece that I can't wait to share. Subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell button to be notified when my next video goes up, which will be very soon. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.